system that can be used to track thieves. It's a very simple project. You have this sensor called ultrasonic sensor, and if I solder this on a circuit, this is an Arduino board, and this is my code. So how does it work? This sensor measures the distance from here, the distance of the obstacle. And now, okay, it's done that. Okay, it is going to go off. So this sensor, I've set it that if the thief is coming to your house and the distance, average distance is less or equal to 15. Okay, I've taken it at 15 centimeters, but I can make it like, that is like he's close to your door. You put it on your door to track that a person has reached your door and is going to touch it. So you know how you will have holes into the door, or this circuit will be attacked on the wall, and the moment the thief comes close, what will it do? It will ring an alarm in your bed. You will come, you will be alert that there's a thief, or it will make a lot of noise. It will make a lot of noise, and everybody will be alert. Everybody will wake up. And that one, the thief will have to run away. This is, we know, in the 21st century, we need things. We need an alarm system. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how this thing works. So right now, I want to increase my serial monitor so that you see how my readings are. So right now you can see